Hi Classy Claws, another video. Today is another set on me because I'm going on holiday again on Saturday, so I took that navy set off that I've only been on for a week and put this set on. I'm still a bit poorly. I've had it for a whole week. I still don't feel much better, so if I start coughing then you'll know why, so I do apologise in advance. So this set is Black Magic on 2 fingers on one hand and 3 on another, and then I've used this lovely glitter called Winter Warmer. So again, it'll either be Glitter Planet or Glitter Fairy, and it's kind of gold and reds and pinks and really lovely warm glittery colour. And then I've used a more on these pink ones, but I didn't really want pink, so I've used a gel polish, which I haven't used in such a long time, and it was really weird actually polishing my nails. So the polish that I used is called Cashmere by Halo. Beautiful, beautiful nude colour. You can see on my nails where I struggled to get off the old acrylic. You know, the Opium Noir that I used last week. I couldn't get the blooming stuff off. So I've just had to file down as far as I can and then just go over it. And then next time when I soak them off, they'll come off, no problem. So this is the Winter Warmer that I'm putting on, and I've just put down a thin layer of crystal glass, and then I've dipped in the crystal glass, picked up a bead of glitter, and then just place it. And I just did a whole nail of this glitter because it's so beautiful. So I've just done one glitter nail on each hand. The black it's all CJP, as you know, Black Magic, and then I've used crystal glass to cap all my nails, and then I filed and buffed, and then I've used my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. I won't waffle on because, as you can tell, I'm kind of losing my voice and I'm still not right, but I'll leave you to watch it anyway. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't, and please subscribe, and I will catch you all in my next one after my hollybobs, and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye, bye, bye. bye.